With Envoy's Virtual Front Desk, you can provide live assistance to visitors and traveling employees at any location with an Envoy Visitor's iPad kiosk.
A Call for Assistance button will connect your visitors with a designated receptionist, allowing them to get the help they need whenever they need it.
Let's go through the first steps of setting up your virtual front desk.
The first step in setting up your virtual front desk is pairing an iPad kiosk with the desired location. You'll need a virtual front desk license for each enabled location. Once your iPad is paired, navigate to Global Overview, Virtual Front Desk. Here, you'll see a list of locations with visitors enabled, your remaining licenses, notification settings, and the status of each location. Now, let's set up who to notify when someone calls. This decides which member of your team will receive the call link to connect them to the kiosk. You can choose from a single team member, Slack channel, or Microsoft Teams group chat. For now, let's choose a single team member. This team member does not need to be an admin, but they'll need to have activated their Envoy account by logging in and confirming their email. After we've assigned a notification contact, we can save the settings. When you're ready to go live, toggle status to on. Your iPad will download the new configuration data and a Call for Assistance button will appear. It's recommended to run a quick test to ensure everything works before welcoming guests with your new virtual front desk.